Hi students, welcome to our second week of e-learning and our first semester of 2020-2021 school year. You guys have already finished your What Kind of Reader and Writer Am I? This week we're going to be taking a trip to the LMC to check out a book that you will have as your supplemental reading text that you will read alongside with what we're doing in class. So it's a book of your choice from our library. It can be from any library. If you're doing the total virtual, you can go to the Canvas library page and you can even check out an ebook. You can also check out a book and they will be outside on Wednesdays to deliver those books to students who are completely virtual. So basically you have finished the launching week unit and you probably won't be hearing about free reading books for a while from me. Around November, I'll be reminding you and we'll do one project over our free reading books. And you are supposed to be reading up to 3 books this semester. So I want to give you that freedom and time to pick up the book that you want, but you won't really need to be worried too much. Just choose any free reading book, and around November we'll start talking about projects and what that needs to look like. That gives you some time to read your book and get yourself into it. Okay, so today we're starting with the Gatsby unit. The text is here on a PDF version. There's also the audio. You can read this book completely online if you want a paperback book. I do have some in my room in A5. If you're totally virtual, please email me that you want the book and I'll have one left in the office for you. Okay, so today you're going to click on the About the Author, watch the film, and answer the questions from this assignment in your reader's notebook. The 5 types of literary criticism just tells you about different types of literary criticism we're going to be using as we read this book. So that's just kind of a review sheet here for you. And then you'll see chapter 1. You're going to read that. Once you finish chapter 1, we're going to start writing our dialectical journals. And we have a character report card. These are your 2 lessons over chapter 1. Okay, so all you need to worry about this week is watching the About the Author video and doing the post in your reader's notebook, reviewing your literary criticism and the types of lenses we can look through the text with. Read chapter 1, and then once you've completed that, you'll do a dialectical journal in your reader's notebook on OneNote, and you'll complete this character report card. Everything is here. Email me if you have any questions. I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you.